is a type of flat pancake or dosa, and moong dal is high in protein and fibers, and when we combine both, it's a great recipe. Today that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a paneer stuffed moong dal chilla. Now this paneer filling is going to give a very unique twist to the chilla. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For this recipe, I've taken 1 cup of moong dal, wash it and soak it in enough water for about 1 hour. In the mixer jar, combine the soaked moong dal, onion, green chilies, garlic, ginger, salt and red chili powder. Add a little water and blend to a nice smooth batter. Transfer into a bowl and keep it aside. Next, I'm going to make the paneer filling. For this, take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil, add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add 1 small onion finely chopped, 1 large green chili finely chopped, to this add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, half teaspoon garam masala powder, now I'm going to add 200 grams of finely chopped paneer. Cook the paneer for about 3 minutes. Squeeze the juice of half lemon on some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it and turn off the stove. The paneer filling for the chilla is done. Keep it aside. I'm going to pour a little water to dilute the batter a little. Take a ladle of the moong dal batter, pour it onto the hot tawa, spread it out, pour a little oil on the edges. Once it's cooked on one side, flip it over to the other. Cook the chilla on both sides. Once it's cooked, place the paneer filling into the chilla. And serve it hot. You can enjoy this chilla as is or with some nice chutney or pickle by the side. So do try this recipe and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.